I'm Vandana, a super successful serial social entrepreneur, co-author of book on entrepreneurship called You Can Do It, and an inspirational speaker. My business ventures open doors to infinite possibilities in my life, helping me discover my true freedom. So I would like to share my life story with you, uh, for you to reflect upon why you should listen to me and why you should care. Who am I? Right? So, from being a victim of office politics as an employee to being a first generation super successful serial entrepreneur since 2006, my entrepreneurship experiences in diverse industries like IT, food and beverages, jewelry and apparel retailing, education and entertainment, franchising, B2B businesses, B2C businesses have given me great exposure and deep insights on how to start and scale a business from scratch. Just looking at the business, I can tell whether it will work or it will not work for you. Idea to business possibilities, right? And what it takes to grow your business exponentially, right? So across all my businesses, my turnover would be more than 100 plus crores, and my revenue runs in multi-million dollars, right? So prior to being an entrepreneur, I have been an IT professional, having very diverse experiences, playing key roles in leadership and technical areas across diverse function of product and program management, people management in Fortune 500 companies like Nortel Networks, Alcatel-Lucent, Motorola, while being a TCS employee, right? And what makes me stand out differently is that I have been running 7 diverse businesses all at the same time, balancing my time, money, career, home, children, family, my businesses, and above all, my own personal me time, right? This was in no way easy. And while I was going through all those struggles in my life, I came up with powerful insights, strategies, shortcuts, hacks, and I created a system so that I can help you overcome your problems and help you in sculpting an extraordinary life across 8 dimensions of life, right? Your business and professional career happens to be just one dimension, but there are 8 dimensions to your life, right? 4 inner and 4 outer. The focus of this session on the focus during entrepreneurship session is on growing business, and the focus on life sessions are on the overall holistic growth of you as a being in your life, connecting the inner and the outer worlds, right? I'm a very ordinary person, as you see, and from being a nobody to being somebody, from having nothing at all to having something, to say having it all. Okay, there are many learnings that I have received from life which can be useful and can be applied by many people like me. Okay, so I'm on a mission to empower people to create an extraordinary life of profit, prosperity, and peace. Would you like to learn how I achieved all of it? Would you like to hear my story that will inspire you to do what you do best? Well, I hear a yes. Okay. So I would like to share some of my personal accomplishments with you to help you decide if you would like me to be your mentor. Okay. In just 6 months of my first business venture as an entrepreneur, having just 2 employees, I had a turnover of 1 crore. And for that, we had been invited by CNBC TV for a program called All for This One Moment. This is way back in 2008. Okay. My jewelry venture, with absolutely zero background in jewelry, was amongst top topmost showroom across 100 plus retail outlets of a super premium brand. Okay, number 1 store for diamond sale across 100 plus stores, and I was requested to come up with the operational and sales guideline for 100 plus stores pan India. I was a franchisee, and the franchisor asked me to come up with an operational document, right? So it feels great to receive honorable mention among global women in premium global magazine for women entrepreneurs, called Enterprising Women. This was way back in 2015. It is based out of US. Where they globally identify and honor women breaking glass ceilings and creating their own path. Okay. Also been featured in CNBC, Your Story, for dreaming big, and in Live Mint on how we have managed our money well to create wealth and hence financial abundance and freedom for ourselves. So during my growing years on personal front, I have been a national level hockey player, and I was shortlisted for Indian trials. This is in the year 1990 when I was in 10th standard. Okay. For being a scorer of my team, I was playing in the forward line. I was always the scorer of my team. And being well traveled to about 24 countries so far, I have interacted with many people from diverse culture, background, lifestyle, and that helps me remain grounded, helps me understand people and be in acceptance mode. Yeah. I've also met, mentored, inspired, transformed lives of many, many people from all walks of life, be it students, job seekers, employed professionals, entrepreneurs, CEOs, senior citizens, homemakers, housewives, right? Anyone who wants most and more from their life, who wants to create an extraordinary life of profit, prosperity, and peace. Also met many famous personalities in life, and some names include Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Gulzar Sahab, Ustad Zakir Hussain, Sachin Tendulkar, Ravi Shastri, Kapil Dev, Gavaskar, Shrikant, Abhinav Bindra, Saina Nehwal, Sri Ravi Shankar, to name a few. Right? As a NASSCOM IT Services Council member for 2 terms, I have worked with top management of top IT companies in India, where I get to offer my powerful ideas on various initiatives taken by the council in alignment to Indian government initiatives for the IT industry and startup ecosystem, right? As on today, I spend most of my time doing what I love doing. I love sharing my knowledge, my knowings, my insights with all of you, as I want to die empty. Die empty of what? Empty of all the insights and wisdoms that I have been given to be shared with all of you here and with the rest of the world, to help people live a better quality life, and also to raise the consciousness of our planet in my capacity and capabilities. Okay. So I want to create a more giving, compassionate, and grateful world, as I believe that this is a shortcut to prosperity in your life, in one's life. I'm living a higher purpose, and I'm in the contribution phase of my life, creating social products related to giving and compassion. I also want to create New Age mystics, where mystics is an acronym for materialistically yet spiritually transformed, insightful, conscious souls. And with the connection we share, you are now my budding New Age mystique. I look forward to helping you, enabling you, empowering you so that you can create a life that you truly deserve and experience a beautiful life, experience the true value of life. Thank you for your time to listen to my story, and I will see you in the next session. Till then, keep growing, keep evolving.